Pneumatic for everyone. Invisible, but it moves the world. AT Company, advancing pneumatic technology through true craftsmanship. Established in 1986, we began with press peripheral manufacturing, prioritizing safety and efficiency, guided by technology, trust, and integrity. Through continuous R&D investment, we strive to lead in pneumatic automation. Products developed with our accumulated expertise have received global recognition. This fuels continuous growth and expansion into new markets, including Germany and Japan. Through our finest technology, we deliver the highest quality products. Our pledge is to achieve ultimate customer satisfaction. We will strive to be your most precise and reliable partner. Our continuous testing is a source of great pride. Countless durability tests ensure maximum product reliability. AT Company pledges to always deliver the highest quality products. We offer continuous R&D and customized engineering services. Supported by technology verified across over a dozen countries, we provide effective solutions to enhance customer productivity.